Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to crop a face from a picture using the Picsart app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Picsart app, then go to the plus icon on the middle of the screen, and here you can upload your images from your device by tapping on proceed on the top right corner of the screen just below the search bar. And after you upload your images, they are going to appear here at the photos section, and you just have to tap on it. You can choose the picture that you would like to edit, and then go to the tools icon, and to crop a face from an image, you just have to tap on the free crops menu, and at the free crops section, the second option is going to be face. And as you can see, it already highlighted the face automatically with the AI tool, and your face is already cropped. You can also use this for other different options. As you can see, this AI works very well, so you can crop anything from the image. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.